I'm Dr. Song Lee. I'm from Korea. It's cold in Korea now, but weather is not very nice here. I'm senior researcher working for KICT. It stands for Korea Institute of Civil Engineering and Building Technology. I would like to thank you for Professor Konstantinos and Kim from university. It is a great honor for me to present the certification system of Korea at this university. The scheme that evaluates and certifies the apartment is a Housing Performance Grading Indication System, or HPGIS. Indicate the information of the house performance as compared to the plan advertisement. This system is enforced by government in accordance with the Housing Act. The purpose of this system is to check the performance to assist buyer to select the preferred house. In addition, it can include technical development to acquire better performance grading in the future. The grading indication is indicated by a smart mark, or star mark. This is a star mark of first grade. First grade is the best. The evaluation is based on the final design drawings. There are five aspects of performance considered in HPGIS. First, noise-related grade include light weight impact, heavy weight impact, toilet water supply and drain noise, boundary wall noise installation performance, and indoor and outdoor traffic noise. 2. Structural grade include flexibility of space, repairability of exclusive area, repairability of the common area, durability. Environment-related grade, ecological area rate, national green ground ratio, daylight ratio, use of low indoor air pollution emitting materials, ventilation performance per household, energy performance. Living environment-related grade, development of the community center, exclusive area for the socially ventilable, social area for the socially home network system. I will present this is a home network system as revision. Security and safety contents. Firefighting related grade, fire detection, smoke ventilation, fire resistance, horizontal execution, effective with hallways and staircase. Evacuation facilities. This is apartment performance grade certificate certificate issued. The grade of each performance item is marked by the number of stars, and consumer check this grade to help them select a preferred apartment. What I am presenting in this seminar are items concerned with the home network performance in respect to HPGIS. The home network performance items were revised in September 28. The purpose of the revision is to proliferate smart home apartment in Korea. It aims to prove the citizen lives in terms of safety, health, and low energy life and contribution to national smart home technology and industrial development by providing the performance environment of home network and smart home. It also aims to induce and create smart home technical development at the national level. The performance of a home network and smart home consists of 3 infrastructure, 3 items, 21 household sector items, 14 common area sector items. The smart home provides the infrastructure required for wired and wireless interconnectivity and control for residents. It also aims to provide safe, convenient, and low energy consumption through the supply of a smart environment in household and common area. This is a block diagram in a smart home that evaluates the household sector. Some items can be checked and controlled by smartphone with the application. The application has control and monitoring capabilities. This is a block diagram of the home network that evaluates the common area. Some items can be also checked and controlled by smartphone. There are the items from the infrastructure environment. First, it evaluates whether the installation of a wall pad for control and internetworking between the household and common area is complete or not. It checks the performance in the household and the common area sectors and evaluates the control functions. Second, it evaluates whether the installation of a wireless access point or AP within the household is complete or not. It evaluates whether wireless AP are installed for the wireless internet environment with the household. Third, it evaluates whether the installation of an IoT hub with the household is complete or not. It evaluates the networking with the IoT device that communicate with the low power. Next are the items that evaluate safety in the household sector. It evaluates the items to provide safe and smart living environment for residents. First, it evaluates whether the front door camera is interlinked with the household server and whether it's a smart home application. Second, it evaluates whether the front door security sensor is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. The sensor is installed at the front of door. Third, it evaluates whether the household movement sensor is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. The sensor is installed in the living room. First, it evaluates whether the external intrusion detection sensor is interlinked with the management server. The detection sensor is this is a detector sensor. Is installed on the outer wall of the apartment. Fifth, it evaluates whether the kitchen gas or electricity cutoff devices are interlinked with the household server and smart home application. Sixth, it evaluates whether installation of the bathroom emergency pager is interlinked with the household server and management server. When an emergency situation occurs in the bathroom, it can be checked via the interlinked server. Seventh, it evaluates whether the emergency power supply for outage is installed. It supplies emergency power to heating and household communication during the household outage. Next, I will take a look at the convenient life items in the household sector. These provide convenient lives for residents. First, it evaluates whether the multifunction smart switch is interlinked with the household server. The multifunction smart switch provides lighting, heating, gas, security setup, and lift call functions. Second, it evaluates whether the parking location and weather information smart switch is interlinked with the household server. The smart switch is installed at the front door and provides parking location and weather information. Third, it evaluates whether the kitchen TV is interlinked with the household server. Fourth, it evaluates whether the digital door lock is interlinked with the household server interactively. Fifth, it evaluates whether the learning and prediction control sensor is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. Sixth, it evaluates whether the voice recognition device is interlinked with the household server. Next, let's look at the items that provide a healthy life for residents. First, the environmental detector is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. Fifth, intelligent bathroom fan. Third, it evaluates whether the inter-story noise alarm device is interlinked with the household. The sensor is pre-alarms the level of inter-story noise. Next are the items that evaluate the low energy lifestyle in the household sector. First, it evaluates whether the remote meter reading of household energy usage is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. Second, it evaluates whether the remote controller of the lighting is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. Third, it evaluates whether the lighting dimming control switch is interlinked with the household server. First, it evaluates whether the heating controller is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. Fifth, it evaluates whether the cooling controller is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. I'm going to talk about the common area sector next. The safe life in the common area sector consists of visitor information, location, recognition, and vehicle control items. First, it evaluates whether the main active front door controller, this is the main controller, is interlinked with the household server and management server. The front door controller is installed at the main active entrance as shown in the photo. Second, it evaluates whether the vehicle controller is interlinked with the household server and management server. It manages vehicles that enter or exit the complex. Third, it evaluates whether the emergency bell call device is interlinked with the management server. This is a call device. The emergency bell call device is installed on the column or wall in the underground parking place. First, it evaluates whether the smart key one-pass system is interlinked with the management server. Entry and exit can be done by recognizing the smart key or smartphone automatically. Fifth, it evaluates whether the resident location recognition sensor is interlinked with the management server. The location of the residents in the underground parking place or playground can be identified. In particular, it is useful to identify the location of elderly or children. Sixth, it evaluates whether the crime prevention device inside the lift is interlinked with the management server. The intelligent CCTV, noise, voice recognition, and vibration inside the lift are analyzed, and information is provided to prevent crime. Next, I'm going to talk about the convenient life items in the common area sector. First, it evaluates whether the reservation system of the community center facilities is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. For example, amenities including swimming pools and fitness centers are now construction in apartment complex in Korea. Second, it evaluates whether the vehicle guide light and indicating light of current parking capacity are installed. It displays the location and the number of parking space in the underground parking lot. Third, it evaluates whether the parking location recognition system is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. The residents' own vehicle location in the underground parking lot can be easily identified. First, it evaluates whether the mailbox is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. This is a mailbox notified the resident upon the arrival of the courier delivery. Finally, it evaluates the low energy life in the common area sector. In this sector, energy saving and energy states can be checked via the smart function. First, it evaluates whether the LED illuminance control device in the underground parking lot is installed. The LED lights installed in the underground parking place, enable illuminance control according to the detected predator and vehicle movement. Second, it evaluates whether the electrical charging system is interlinked with the household server and smart home application. It can be checked at the household terminal and the application. Third, it evaluates whether the energy storage system, ESS, is interlinked with the management server. Some items that I present in above the already applied as a product in Korea, and some systems will be applied in the future. The items that are not yet developed will lead the policy direction to introduce technical developments. Now, I finished my presentation about the performance items of a home network and smart home in the respect to HPGIS. That is currently being implemented in Korea. I'm glad to present in front of you. I would like to express my gratitude to you once again. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.